Hello everyone. My son Zaire Zonye Dukes resurrected Bob Marley for the celebration of Kiyama. I enjoy participating in this life-changing experience for my son. We promoted our YouTube videos through our social networks to allow our friends, our family, and others to learn about Black ancestry. Although my son's only 2, he will remember this for the rest of his life. As a single mother, I'm proud to teach my son the positivity and reward through works. So, through our networking, we did win second place in our contest, which this is the $200 that my son won for himself. So we going to eat. We going to eat. We going to Toys R Us. We going to get some toys?
Yeah.
What you want to do with your money? What you want to do with it? You want to make it rain? Want to make it rain? Want to make it rain? We making it rain. Thank you, everyone.